Fittonia Verschaffeltii, also known as a nerve or a mosaic plant, is native to the tropical rainforests of Central and South America. Its leaves are green with fan-like markings, often white, pink, or red in color. These beautiful mosaic-like plants make a great addition to terrariums because they love humidity. High humidity outside of a terrarium can be achieved with a humidifier, by grouping plants together, by keeping them in a kitchen or a bathroom, or by using pebble trays. Fittonias will thrive in bright indirect light, but never direct sun. A north or shaded east window would be the perfect spot for these tropical beauties. Keep the soil moist but not soggy at all times. If your nerve plant dries out and wilts, all is not lost. Place your thirsty plant in a tray of water for a few hours and it should spring back to life. Try not to let it get to this point. Feed your plant when it is actively growing in the spring at a quarter strength. Clean your plant regularly to rid it of dust and protect it from pests such as aphids and mealybugs. Pruning the leaf tips will keep your plant full and prevent leggy stems. Fittonia plants are pet safe and are considered to be non-poisonous. Follow our YouTube channel and Instagram for weekly plant tips and spotlights.